We got this Challenger Scat Pack, plum crazy purple, guys. Got this Borla Atak system going on there. Stock systems, complete Dodge shit, all right, guys? We need performance, we need sound, we need to make this thing sound like American muscle. Borla Atak's going on there. Stock system, like I said, complete garbage. Check this out right here. It comes with a new X pipe, valves, put the factory valves back on there so you still have all that control, which is awesome. The bezels go back on with the tips, which is pretty sweet. You can upgrade the tips later if you want, but for the most part, check out this system right here. Hold on, let me toss this real quick. Stock system, comes off factory, 2 3/4, all new piping. We're gonna get rid of all this, get rid of these mid mufflers, put these factory valves back on, run it all the way to the back. The Borla Atak systems goes in the back. Can make this thing sound like America, baby. Okay, so top of line system, in my opinion, Borla Atak. All right, if you want something a little bit less aggressive, you go with the Borla S type. Even have a Borla touring system. Those options are pretty much leveled up in sound. So Atak being the most aggressive, the S type being a little bit deeper, the touring being a little bit more mild, usually for the older guys. Also, you can buy them all at gexhaust.com. Shout out to Borla. They hooked us up with a sweet ass Borla kit. Probably the best system on the market for the Challengers, Chargers. You really cannot go wrong with these Borla kits, all right? Anti-drone technology, you cannot beat it. You want all the sound outside, no sound inside. Borla is where it's at. Shout out to Borla, guys. Borla Atak installed, got the system in there, got the valves bracketed up. They slap right on there. Borla does a really good job of giving you these valve brackets so you can maintain all the comfort, sport settings, race settings. Got these Borla Atak mufflers in the back. If you want it a little bit more deep, you go with the Borla S type. If you want more scream, more aggression, you go with the Borla Atak. This thing's gonna rip, guys. Wait till you hear this thing. Shoutouts to Borla once again. Thank you guys for making the best system on the market. Borla is where it's at. Borla Atak, Borla S type, Borla touring. All 3 options available at gexhaust.com. All right, got the plum crazy purple Challenger Scat Pack RT, all said and done. Got the exhaust system on there. Should make about 10 to 15 horsepower with the exhaust. Sounds great, looks great. Later on, we can upgrade the tips if necessary. Right now, it keeps the factory bezels, but for the most part, got this system all said and done. Shout out to Borla, guys.